So the question says, if the price of diesel increases by 25%, then taxi driver intends to spend only additional 15% on diesel. So how much percentage should he reduce the quantity of diesel that he is purchasing? So now let us first make a relation between the price and quantity and the expenditure. Price, quantity and expenditure. So the price of the diesel into the quantity that he is purchasing equal to the expenditure that he is doing on the diesel. So P into Q is equal to E. So now if the price is increasing, now after the increase, let the relationship be, earlier it was P into Q equal to E, then it becomes P dash into Q dash equal to E dash. So the P dash, it says if the price of diesel increases by 25%, so P dash is 1.25 P, because the price has increased 25%. So after adding 25%, it becomes 1.25 P. Earlier the price was P, and after increase it was P dash. So P dash in terms of P is 1.25 P. So quantity we have to find out how much it has to be reduced, and expenditure, it says it has to spend only additional 15%. So expenditure has increased only 15%. So that is 1.15 E. So from this we can see that Q dash is equal to 1.15 upon 1.25 E upon P. So this decimal can go, because two places in the numerator also there are two places, and in the denominator also there are two places after the decimal. So we can remove this. And E upon P, from this equation we have seen that Q is equal to E upon P. So we can write it as Q itself. So what does the relationship becomes? So the relationship becomes Q dash is equal to 115 upon 125 into Q. This was earlier and this is after the increase. So this 23 upon 25. So earlier the quantity of diesel was Q, that is 1 Q, we can assume. Q is equal to 1 Q. So but now later on it has become 23 by 25 Q, because Q dash is the later quantity. So how much is the change? The change is 2 upon 25, because this is 23 and this is 25. So it has to be 25 by 25, then it becomes 1Q. So the change is 2 out of 25Q. So this is the change in the quantity. The change in the quantity is equal to 2 upon 25Q. This is a change. And how much percentage the quantity has to be reduced? The earlier was, this is 2 by 25 Q upon, earlier was Q itself. So initial was Q, so we'll divide it by Q into 100, because we have to calculate the percentage. So this will get cancelled. This becomes 4. So 2 into 4 becomes 8 percentage. So the answer becomes 8 percentage. The percentage reduce, so it has to reduce the quantity of diesel purchase by 8%, so that even after there is a 25% increase in the diesel price, that it spend only 15% on diesel. So the answer is 8% reduction in the quantity of diesel purchase.